Welcome to the review of the Omoda C9. It's a 2-liter engine producing 400 torque. The entry spec will cost you 785,000 rands and the top of the range will cost you 885,000.
Guys, this is a sexy beast, eh? Look at it. I'm just gonna approach the car and it will unlock itself. Look. And I want you to see something on the floor. Eh? So they can know that you are driving an Omoda, guys. Eh? Just look at the sides, guys. Look at these wheels, 20-inch. I like this black and silver that's going on here. Eh? And the lights, guys. Let's talk about the lights. Eh? And let's just thank Star Omoda for lending us this car, guys. Yo. Infanta Bell Park. Eh? Omoda, start. Yes, girl. Show me your eyes, girl. Wink at me. All right, blink your eyes, girl. Blink. They say I don't blink. I blink on my behalf. You beautiful girl.
This car is jam-packed with a lot of safety features. Door opening collision warning, lane departure prevention, adaptive cruise control, intelligent collision avoidance system, lane departure warning and lane change assist, automatic emergency braking. This is just some of the features amongst the 17 advanced features. Another fantastic feature of these rear LED lights is the musical rhythm with lights.
Look, shine your 4-pipe, which is a 2-pipe. Don't ask me how, but it's a 4-pipe, which is a 2-pipe. When I just know it's a 4-pipe.
Complementing the 20-inch two-tone rims is this meteorite gray color.
Guys, I want you to see the handles, guys. You see they have disappeared, but they're gonna appear. Eh? Nice and flush, guys. Eh? And sometimes even if you want to lock the car, you can just press like this. And it locks itself, guys. Yeah? Sensing your finger there.
On the inside, it has ambient interior lighting, integrated fragrance system, perfume, and a Sony premium sound system with heated and ventilated seats.
Guys, the Omoda has been furnished with an engine start-stop button. You just press the brake and then you start it like that and the beast is alive. You understand? You can see it has nice ambient lighting. I've set it to the color blue because blue might be my favorite color. It might not be, eh? Can you see even the rear view mirror? It's nice. But behind the rear view mirror, guys, there is a dash cam, eh? And this dash cam, you just put a micro SD card in there and it will record for you for any dangers that might be happening there in the road for insurance purposes and stuff like that. Guys, this Omoda C9 has been furnished with 360 degrees cameras. Eh? Can you see? It's the Omoda recording me, guys. This is too clever. Eh? This is for your safety, for you if you're going to reverse back or to check of any obstacles that are on your side, your front, guys. And there in front, as you can see, you can even spin it around. Eh? You can spin it around and have a 360 view of your beauty, guys. This is a real beauty, guys.
The infotainment screen is touchscreen and you are given both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's a very responsive screen. You don't even need a cable to try and connect to these systems. Even the driver's screen is 12 inches and you can even speak to Omoda.
Hello.
Open the sunroof.
Okay.
Niyadlala nina, eh? Niyadlala. Look. I have ghosts in this car. Guys, this Omoda C9 has ample spacing. Eh? You just open this beautiful thing here. You'll be met by 2 cup holders. And then there's a storage compartment here. Listen, guys, it also has a secret storage compartment. I don't know what you want to hide in here, guys. Eh? You close it up like this. Here, when you open it up, guys, you'll be met by a fridge. Eh? So that you can put your 6-pack of whatever that you are drinking in here. Eh? Even for sure, even a bottle of wine can fit in here, guys. Eh? And for your phone, guys, it doesn't need to suffer as well. There is a part for wireless charging, guys. This is Omoda, eh? Even this side, guys, you have a space there. I'm not sure what you want to put here, guys, but there is space here with also you're supplied with USB charging ports there, and there's also a glove box here, guys, eh? For more ample storage. Even the doors, guys, it has some parts for you to put your bottle. So you're a backseat passenger princess in the Omoda C9 and your phone is a bit flat, you want to charge. And then you look here, you're like, where's the charging port? They are here. Look, you just open this thing here and then it opens up. It gives you an option of a USB or a Type-C USB. Then you just take your cable, you put it in here. And then you just charge. You just charge. As simple as that. In this car, during winter and summer, you will not suffer. If it is winter, it has rear heated seats. I can even feel it now in my rear end that it's getting warm like pancakes. And during summer like this, on a hot day like this, we have rear aircon, guys, for yourself that you can adjust. You don't have to fight with the driver, guys. Look at it, guys. Guys, luxury. Luxury at its best.
These leather seats are so comfortable, very nice and soft. I like the stitching that I'm seeing on these seats. Even my leg room, guys, it is so nice, so spacious. My thighs are supported. I am comfortable. I was about to doze off, guys. I thought I was at home, really. Even my headroom, guys, look at the headroom, look. And I'm 177 centimeters tall, guys. Guys, this is luxury, guys. I'm seated here like a king. Yeah.
Guys, they didn't even forget about your little ones, your little bambinos. There are isofix pots here, guys. You just push it like this, and then you put the rear child seat lapa, guys. Guys, this is too clever.
So the journey has ended and you want to exit. You're like, hey, where's the handle here? I can't open the car. It is here. It is just sexy and sleek. Look, just open like this and then you come out. Guys,
The boot capacity of this car is so big. You can even fit a whole human being in it. Yeah, Nikona, Cynthia Vela. Yeah, this is me, guys. And then you just press this button here, and then it closes by itself, guys. Technology, guys. This is the Omoda C9. In conclusion, this is a good car. It's packed with technology, good sound system, nice leather seats, ambient lighting, dash cam, all standard in the car. And this is the gear. Understand? It looks like an indicator switch, but then it also has these pedal shifts on the side of the steering wheel. It just depends how you want to change gears, but it's full of technology, guys. Wireless charging, guys. It has airbags. What more can you want from this car?